I'm playing in this swimming pool. Oh, where am I? Huh? I'm at the beach. I've got an idea. Let's swim with clownfish. I first go to Satahip town by my car. There is about 180 kilometers southeast from Bangkok, and I depart from the pier by the boat to เกาะแสมสาร It is an island in the Gulf of Thailand. This island is under the control of the Royal Thai Navy in efforts to preserve the marine ecosystem. Visitors are welcome to เกาะแสมสาร every day, every season, but they can only have a one-day trip without staying overnight. I'm getting on the boat at the pier. The pier is a long platform built from the shore out over the sea, and it's used by boats to allow passengers to get on and off. Now we're on a boat, but this is not a normal boat, it's a speedboat. I feel so excited because we're going out to look at one island, or maybe more than one. It's the best that I have of you, too, to the sky and the sun. It's a very sunny day, so I need to keep my hat on. It's too bumpy. It's so fun. Today we will see sea animals in the sunlight. Animals, the sea animals, in the sunlight zone. We will see coral, sea animals, some clownfish, and bluefin, and some other fish too. 15 minutes later, we are at the famous checkpoint for a photo shoot. It is a very beautiful landscape. Wait for a while and let me get my cool pictures. That is an anchor. It's an anchor. You put it in the sea and the boat will stop. I stop and prepare snorkeling in shallow water. It is clear water and there is a lot of fish. The fish sometimes make me a tickle. All around me are fish, and more fish. They're very lovely. In nature, big fish eat small fish. This is the law of the sea called food chain. Small fish often swim in large groups called school. A school of fish! There is safety in numbers. Now I'm ready for the real snorkeling. Go to another island. To look at the sea animals. We finally are here. I think this is the perfect spot for coral diving and snorkeling. You can see the seafloor even you are on a boat. It is about 4 or 5 meters in depth from the surface. There are abandoned corals scattered around this island. I see what looks like a wall made of colorful rocks. That is a coral reef! Do you know the first coral reef formed on Earth 240 million years ago? That's before the dinosaurs were alive. They were very, very old. Corals are found in all tropical oceans. The largest coral reef in the world is The Great Barrier Reef in Australia. What are coral reefs? Coral are actually thousands of living tiny animals called polyps. They all live together in a small area, like having to share a room for 1,000 brothers or sisters. Each polyp builds a hard outer shell for protection. When the polyp dies, its hard shell remains and new polyp grows on the top, causing the reef to grow slowly. And colorful one-celled plant called algae that live inside coral polyps. Coral need algae. The algae also give the coral its food and color. Without algae, all corals will turn white and die. First, we need safety gear. This is a snorkel. Helps you breathe underwater. This is a Google. It helps you look underwater. This is a life jacket. It helps you be safe in case you fall off the boat. On the life jacket, this is a whistle. It is for emergency. I'm ready for diving to see animals. So, let's go! I jump off the boat. Dive overboard and begin to explore. This diving spot is close to the surface, so it is bright and warm. It is teeming with colorful sea life. There are many different plants and sea creatures in much the same way as a rainforest does on land. I see the coral with different in shapes and candy colors. Some look like mushrooms, fingers, trees with branches, fans, honeycombs, or even human braids. The coral reef makes a good home for many sea plants and animals. There are lots of colorful fish swimming around it. That's a pink skunk clownfish. They include sponges, starfish, sea cucumbers, sea urchins, sea turtles, sea anemones, and giant clams. Those are common clownfish within sea anemone. I remember them from Finding Nemo, the popular animated movie. They have 3 white stripes on their orange body. They look lovely and funny, like circus clowns. The clownfish and sea anemone have symbiotic relationships. This means they help each other to survive. The clownfish live within the poisonous tentacles of the sea anemone as their home to hide from predators. They have slime on their skin to protect themselves from the deadly sting. In return, the sea anemone benefits from clownfish who clean them by eating their parasites and dead tentacles. want to get closer to the clownfish and just take a picture for a good memory. Coral reefs has a positive impact on many people throughout the world, including being beautiful, a tourist attraction, food from fishing, protection of coastline from wave erosion, and even medical discoveries. I get on my boat. I'm so tired, but that's very fun and good experience. This is a squid. I caught it with the fishing rod from the sea. Look at it. Now there are many threats to coral reefs. Not only some people, but you can also help to protect coral reefs, such as if you go diving, look at the coral, but don't touch. Stand or anchor your boat on it. Don't collect shells, rocks, or coral on the island, but you must collect your trash back to the shore. And tell your friends about how they can help save the corals. This is the end of this video. We learned about the islands and swimming gear and diving. I see some clownfish, some more fish, and coral. If you want to watch more of my videos, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video. Bye bye!